I am using the map we created for week 21 of the tax deed auctions, and just looking around, I'm going to find one of the tax deeds that's coming up for sale that I would like to look into. So I'll just click on this one, and it's Brevard County. The auction date is May 24th, and I can see there's a start bid of just over 4,000. The property is assessed value is over 23,000 and not homestead. So the first thing I want to do at this point is to, get a basic look at the property online. So I'm going to just highlight the property address and search on that. And I want the street view. Now, obviously, the property can look different now versus what you see on Street View. So if possible, you always want to visit it in person or send someone to at least take some photos. But just as an initial view, this is fine. And I see it's a mobile home, manufactured home. Nice looking street. Corner lot, that's nice. And then I'm just going to go around the corner to get a view of the front of the house. Carport. Okay, and then what I also do is once I did the search, I'll look to see if on Zillow or Trulia or Realtor or one of those real estate websites, if they have any inside photos. I can see right here that there's 0 photos, which, means this property was probably not for sale anytime in the recent time frame. The person, the property owners probably lived there for a long time, so it's never been listed online for sale. And clicking it, I can see there are no interior photos of it. So next I want to see if there are any liens on the property for which I would be responsible. And if I go back here, I can copy the tax deed number, click on tax deed documents, and the tax deed number is the case number. So I'm going to search by case number and paste that in, which it finds. And I open that up and I want to look at for Brevard County, I'm going to look at the title search. Each county does things a little bit differently when you're looking at their tax deed documents. So I'll just scroll here and I can see the owner here, Teresa Charbonneau. There is no mortgage on the property, and there is a lien that is owed to Brevard County, and it has the book and the page number. And that's it for the liens. So now I want to open up the official records website and look up this book and page number so I can see the amount of this lien. And back on the map, I do have a link for the official records website for Brevard County. So I'll just open that and choose book and page and search by what was listed on the title report. And it will always be the first one. Then view image. And sometimes just because it was listed on the O&E report or the title report doesn't mean it was an actual lien. It could be just a document stating some sort of information. So you always want to look at them. Don't assume that, just because you see a list of 10 or 20 document, book, and page numbers, don't assume they're all liens. You really want to look at all of them. This one is a code enforcement and a findings of fact, which is telling them basically you need to straighten up whatever is happening on your property before a certain date, or you're going to be fined a certain amount per day until you correct the situation. But since there was no other document listed on the title report, there's no ending amount to this lien. So from this moment, I have no idea how much that lien is, but I can contact Brevard County and find out. So I would want to do that because I'm going to be responsible for that if I were to buy that tax deed. Now, a few other things, pieces of information that are listed on the map. You have the property appraiser website where you can get many more details about the property. And once you open up this link, you want to search by the parcel number, which is here. And a link to the GIS mapping where you can map the parcel, which gives you a different map than what Google will give you. And then the link to the clerk of court for Brevard County, the tax collector's office, and if you're a member of FloridaTaxAuction.com, this is a link directly to this county's page on our website.